Question number 10. That's from exercise 1.4, class 9, ML Agarwal. Question number 10. You see, first part they are asking arrange in ascending order. 3 root 2, 2 root 3, root 15 and 4. You have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means lesser to greater. 3 root 2. So this 3 root 2, I will make all powers same. Like here power 1 by 2, power 1 by 2, power 1 by 2, power 1 by 2. 3 root 2, how can I write root 3? If I write in root, it will be 9. Because after outside root it will be 3. So I am writing in root. So root 9 into, already it is in 2. Here 2 I am writing in root. So this 3 is there. Into this 2 I will write 4. Root 15 is root 15 only. 4 I will write root of what? 16. So all are in power 1 by 2. That is root. This is what? Root 18. This is root 12. This is root 15. This is root 16. So I can say this is what? 18 power 1 by 2. This is 12 power 1 by 2. This is 15 power 1 by 2. This is 16 power 1 by 2. Now you can see everyone's power is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Now you can take the LCM of these 2, 2, 2. All the denominators of the powers. So 2, 2, 2. So LCM will be what? 2 only. LCM will be 2. So LCM of 2, 2, 2, 2 is what? 2 only. So multiply LCM with this 18 power 1 by 2 into 2. Multiply with this LCM. Whatever is the LCM. 12 power 1 by 2 into 2. 15 power 1 by 2 into 2. And 16 power 1 by 2 into 2. 2 cancel, 2 2 cancel, 2 2 cancel, 2 2 cancel. So 18, 12, 15 and 16. Now you can see which is lesser. 12. We got this from 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 is the lesser number. Then after 12, 15, that is root 15. Then 16, so it is from 4. And then 18, that is from 3 root 2. So like this you have to find the numbers arrangement in ascending order. Now part second. Part second you can see 3 root 2, 2 root 8, 3 root 2, 2 root 8, 4 root 50 and 4 root 3. So all these I will make power 1 by 2. 3 root 2. So I can write 2 is there, 3 I will write into 9. So it will root 9 will be 3 only. 2 root 8. So I will write what? Root 8 into this 2 inside, so it will be 4. 4, so root I can write what? 60. Root 50 I can write root 50 only because already power 1 by 2. 4 root 3 I will write what? 3 to this 4 inside, so it will be 16. So root 18, root 32, root 16, root 50 and root 48. This is what? 18 power 1 by 2, 32 power 1 by 2, 16 power 1 by 2, 50 power 1 by 2 and 48 power 1 by 2. Now again take LCM of all the denominators of the power 2, 2. So LCM will be 2 only. So multiply with the LCM. These all powers. 32 power 1 by 2 into 2. 16 power 1 by 2 into 2. 50 power 1 by 2 into 2. 48 power 1 by 2 into 2, 2 cancel, 2, 2 cancel, 2, 2 cancel, 2, 2 cancel. Now you can see here which is the smallest number, that is 16. So it comes from root 50, 4. This comes from 4. So first 4 will come. Then after 16 bigger number is 18. So this from 3 root 2, so 3 root 2. Then after 18, 32, that comes from 2 root 8. Then 48, that is 4 root 3. And then it is 50. So that is root 50. So this is the arrangement in ascending order. 4, 3 root 2, 2 root 8, 4 root 3 and root 50. Thank you.